Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and preparing the essentials. This prevents delays later. Make sure your enrollment, official ID, and any course prerequisites are current. Once done, collect credentials, your institutional email, student ID, and payment or scholarship details so you can complete transactional steps quickly. Next, open the Academy portal and bookmark it. Having support contact info ready is crucial. These first actions prime you to request the Academy key without backtracking, so you move straight into the authorization process. You now submit the formal request. Complete the Academy key form accurately because mismatches trigger rejections. Explain why you need the key and include course identifiers. Once submitted, attach proof of eligibility. Clear scans or screenshots shorten verification time. Make sure file names are descriptive and requests reference the right environment, production versus sandbox. After submission, monitor the portal and your email for verification steps. Respond promptly to any clarification to keep the process moving and avoid manual escalations. You finish by activating and testing the Academy key. Apply it to the sandbox first, run authentication and simple calls, then promote to production when stable. Make sure to store keys in an encrypted vault or password manager and restrict access to only necessary accounts. If you encounter issues, confirm token lifetimes, IP allow lists, and that you use the correct endpoints. These are common blockers. If problems persist, contact support with request ID and timestamps so they can trace your activation and resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.